Hi, the question says Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour, and on his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for the Abdul's trip? Now, let us assume that the distance traveled by Abdul while driving to school is assumed to be d, and the time taken for him to travel to school is taken to be t1, and the time taken by Abdul on his return trip back to home is taken to be t2. Now you must understand over here that the average speed, that is of 20 and 30 will be 25, will be an incorrect answer, because in both the cases the time taken during the journey will be different, so we cannot directly take the average of 20 and 30. So to get the average speed of the Abdul, let us first identify the average speed in the first case, that is from his drive to school. So the distance traveled in the first case is d, in the time taken is t1, that is given to be 20 km per hour. So your t1 can be written as d by 20. Let there be equation number 1. In the second case, that is on his return trip, your average speed is given by d, that is again the distance traveled will be the same as the distance traveled in the first case, and the time taken will be d2, so your average speed can be written as d by t2, that is equals to 30. So your time taken in the second case is taken to be d by 30. Let that be equation number 2. Now, to find the average speed for the Abdul, we need to find the total distance traveled upon total time taken. Now, the total distance traveled by Abdul is d plus d, that is while journey to the school and back on his return journey, and the time taken will be t1 plus t2. So, your total average speed will be equals to 2d upon t1 plus t2. We substitute the value of t1 to be d by 20 and t2 to be d by 30. So on solving this further, we'll get the average speed to be equal to 24 km per hour and not 25. Thank you.